How to cash out Bitcoin on Cash App. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to learn how we can cash out Bitcoin on Cash App, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, cashing out Bitcoin on Cash App doesn't mean you directly convert your Bitcoin to money. What you have to do is you have to sell that Bitcoin via Cash App if you want to convert it to money. Now, whenever you open Cash App, you will definitely find this home toggle here where you'll be able to find Bitcoin, so you can basically tap on Bitcoin. Now, if you have got Bitcoins available over here, you'll be able to find the option to actually go ahead and then withdraw the Bitcoin, and you will be also able to find the option to sell Bitcoin. Now, in my case, I don't have, so I'm saying buy Bitcoin option, but if you do have Bitcoin, you have to select sell Bitcoin. People will give you the offer, you just have to accept them, and they will have the Bitcoin and you'll have the money. And after that, you can cash out your money by just coming here, tapping the cash out option, and then cashing out to your bank account. This way you should be able to cash out Bitcoin on Cash App. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.